Hey YouTube, fuck, my Vaseline. So my name is Moel, and I hope you guys doing okay in YouTube world. So from this day, I will document my life, and I hope you guys, which is watching, to enjoy what I'm doing in Uganda. So I have too many stories to tell you guys. I swear. I hope you guys watch and keep subscribing. I just wanna help me so I can help you guys. So simple. Like from this day, I will start posting every day about any situation that happened in my life, and even I will tell you what happened in past and else.